Hey guys, it's me again, Flo. On the previous episode of driving around Anambra State, you followed me from Niger Bridgehead through Fagor, Onitsha, Odapo, Inland Town. You saw Zeke's house, and now we're on Enugu Onitsha Express Road, going to my hometown, or should I say hometowns? We will drive through so many towns in Anambra State. This is Operation Spot Your Father's House. So be on the lookout, and once you see anywhere you recognize, let me know in the comments. This is Anambra State, the best state in Nigeria. And this is New Parts, where they sell car spare parts. Can't even see it. That's the market there. You can see the roof. There, that's the market. Where they sell new tires, new car tires. You know, there's a market for everything in this state because we are, marketers. This market is specifically for car tires. You can imagine. And we're approaching New Tazan. Hey, get back a New Tazan Motors. Hey. Because I can park if you follow here, you come out at Iyenu Hospital here and Mpo Old Road. To a trials. We are approaching the building materials market. Every market has its own place. Yeah. And this side is Ogidi. Yeah, this side is Ogidi. Here the Kazu Court. This is behind Ogidi Court. This is building materials. If you want to build a house, you come to this market. Anything you need about building a house is here. You can see PVC pipes, tanks. Yeah. So we're going to turn off the express road now to start going to our village. This place is so busy, madre. Machine. Saluzega. And the home from Umunya,
from Umunya.
Okay, but I won't see it. Then we see about that.
Gidi material.
We have Baluza. When you Baluza, Bodera. On the building material, who's a guitar? Oh, here I go. Mafia. Substance on the Nepana.
I'm going better up with our old road. develop because of this market. Eh?
Hi.
This place used to be no man's land now. Development. Because all the people that are in that market now, they used to be in Ozomagala. So all of them have come here to live. Look at all the buildings. Hi. Anambra people, look at houses. Look at big houses. That's how we build in this state. Look at 4-story buildings. 5. Get it? My parents' house. Look at that one. Look at that one over there. That one will be up to 40 flats. It's in here. It's also a mechanic village we have. Mechanic village. Oh wow. Oh, twin buildings. The one goes on the side. This is how we build in this state. Igbo land amaka. Say maybe chago. Ana real.
No, c'est cathédrale.
It's ba touch I off when me the bypass off for amaka.
Yes. Oui. That's all.
Okay. Hey. How do you? This Uguma Asike Junction. If you go like that, you go towards Onitsha. Again, if you go like that, you go towards Oka. But we're going to take that way towards Agolo. We'll pass through a lot of towns. You see them as we go. That's Ogidi. Just up there is Ogidi Court. If you're from Ogidi, let me know. Chino Achebe's house. Show me because it might not be a set. This yellow house. This is Chinua Achebe's house. The famous author of Things Fall Apart. You see his humble abode. See that? You see that? You see that? Eh? Quem que é um saga? Rama Kabika. This was one of the first roads in Gige built, eh? When I one year but not again after that, you know. I beg all your sense. There are so many routes to my hometown, but we are taking this one today. Have you spotted your hometown yet? check out the mansion that building in this state. To Alo London, this road to Alo London. We are leaving Abatete now. We are descending the Abatete River. That's the river. That's the river. We are now in Oruku. Are you from Oruku? Are you? Are you? Oruku Secondary School. Oruku is one of the most developed towns in Anambra State. They can build houses, big houses. Hey. Oruku.
The last time I was Bogan of old Anambra State. You cannot believe it. Before a case state, no other governor has built it. Even though Kevana Okwadike, who got 91, he did not build the road.
And then there, my mother was on them in
Now, locality in a town. Most of them have a home village. Because they have one on the side. They were only hobnobbing with contractors. People like Athens and the rest. But there's an old road now. On the Soka old road. So, Analo, Uzia State, up federal.
Like I was saying, Oruku is one of the richest, it has the highest concentration of the richest people, right? Yeah, it's a small town and they have a lot of millionaires.
No, you have Nnewi to count first before.
But Nnewi is a big town. I'm just talking about the size of the town.
Okay.
Biggest concentration.
Okay. Percentage.
Yeah, it's a small. It's like 3 villages in my hometown, but they're all millionaires. We are approaching Mpuota, the famous Mpuota. Hey. If you go right, you go to Nnewi. Don't worry, I'll take you there soon. And if you go left, you'll be going to my hometown, Agolo. You pass through Adasi and you go to Oka as well. Don't worry, I'll take you round all these places. Yeah, I am here to take you round. Okay, they go. This is still Oruku. This one goes to Neni, the hometown of the Young Shall Grow Motors.
Those are the busy. If one of the busier than guys itself. One of the busy.
Okay, go. I can. Oh, Jamaica can now go and do safety now. No, most of villages. This one goes to Nimo, and this one goes to Neni. There's famous people who in Neni.
Young shall grow.
Young shall grow. How about go, man? Chisco. Power mic. Oh, you did. It's a more kiliwi. Okay. Kiliwi, what you go in Nigeria? This is Adazi on the left. I know that Adazi is on the left, but I don't know which Adazi it is. I don't know if it's Adazi. Adazi no. Okay, this one is Adazi no on the left.
Then Adazi follow it. Then
Adazian. This road on the right goes to Obeledu Akweze. Okay, Obodo is on the side. Yeah, Obeledu and Akweze, no? Obeledu and Akweze. This road. Yeah, I'll go the road since. Okay, I'll up that way. Go this road.
What did I try one also? Very sure.
This is St. Andrew's Catholic Church, Adazi. This beautiful church, Adazi Novo. This is the bypass we took that day, and I started filming down there. So Loreto Special Science School. If you studied there, let me know. Loreto. We're now in Agolo. This is Mwago Agolo, the famous Mwago. We'll stop here to buy Agolo bread. Hey, if you go left, you'll be going to Oka and Agolo Lake, and if you go right, you'll be going to more Agolo. Ekwulobia, Nanka, Umunze, Bobotibo. I started filming. The last time I started filming around there, down there.
Where go the bread?
Bread that you go to, source of bread now.
Oh, big bread. It's easy when not there.
In Ajumaj.
I'm going to go my bread. I go to the now.
I forgot. Maybe it's one go buffet.
Oh, yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay, you went by and bread here. That's fine. I want fresh bread. Agolo is the headquarters of bread in the whole wide world. Our Lady's bread, no Agolo. Ejidike bread, Ejidike Amamokadevesco bread. Madonna. This goes to Peter B's house, goes to Mbuku, Oka. This is our town hall of my hometown. This is my hometown. This one goes to Obu. No. Straight. Obu. Get over those other side. You can even now follow it to go after them. Yeah. Alugia, yeah. This is Isiewu and Nkwobi joint. Woo! That's this place. And this used to be our church. Before we built our own church. Close to my village. one Amazon, and the about this is a Fagor during Christmas, Easter, or any. What I was trying to say before they distracted me with bread purchases is that during any festive season, this Fagor bubbles so much. Oh my God, so much crowd, masquerade. So if you're in Anambra State and environs during the festive season, any festive season, come to Fagor, you will have fun. This road goes to Aguluzi Igbo. Igbo Ukwu. Bread. Nanka Agbedu. Abụ m onye na nka. Approaching Afonanka. Afonanka. Is married to a Nanka man. If you go left, that's how to go to their house. Here, from here. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. To avoid the very busy Ekwulobia junction. So if you go straight, that's Ekwulobia. Ebana didn't busy by this time. If not, we would have taken Ekwulobia. But it's always so busy, especially at this time. So we're going to take here to bypass the busy Ekwulobia. Ekwulobia is straight on. Just 2 minutes you're in Ekwulobia junction if you go straight on. So we're going to take it here. On second thought, let me take you to Ekwulobia. Ekwulobia people, are you happy now? Are you? Yeah, you thought I was going to pass you by. Mbano. Ekwulobia is a very important town in these parts. So yes, we need to go there. We are almost at Ekwulobia roundabout.
Primary school.
This is it, Ekwulobia roundabout. Right goes to Ibuku, Oketiti, Nnewi, Nnobi, Ozobolo, even back to Onitsha. Straight goes to Umuchu, Agụata, and so on. Left goes to Oko, Ndikelion, Omoro, Ufuma, Umunze. Even the straight one can take you to Umunze as well. Did you spot your father's house, your hometown, your school? Let me know in the comments. This is where I'm going to end this vlog. The driver is going into the motor park to drop us. Bye bye. See you soon.